Oriental Weavers is the world's largest manufacturer of area rugs, offering one of the most expansive assortments of machine-made, printed, tufted, and non-woven rugs available today. With primary production facilities in Egypt, supported by strategic partner factories around the world, the company is known globally for its fashion-forward designs and innovative manufacturing capabilities. For more than 40 years, Oriental Weavers has delivered rugs synonymous with style, quality, and exceptional value. In addition to its unparalleled production capacity, Oriental Weavers is a vertically integrated company controlling the manufacturing process from start to finish. From raw materials to polypropylene, polyester, and nylon pellet production, fiber extrusion, weaving, and finishing. Now let's take a look inside Oriental Weavers' facilities and the process of how an area rug is made. The process begins with Oriental Weavers' award-winning product development team, where design and color research drive every new collection. From tracking global pattern and color trends to collaborating closely with our customers' design teams, inspiration is drawn from a wide range of sources to create products that perform in today's marketplace. Working hand-in-hand with manufacturing, the team continuously develops unique yarn systems and advanced weaving processes, delivering innovative constructions and exciting new looks. Once a product direction is defined, colors are carefully selected, and our designers begin creating original patterns digitally with advanced computer software. These designs go directly from screen to loom, where they are brought to life through precision weaving. Throughout the entire development process, the design team partners closely with Master Batch to refine and perfect color matching, ensuring every collection meets the highest standards of quality, consistency, and style. The Master Batch Lab is where the creation of Oriental Weavers' durable, inherently stain-resistant yarn begins. Using polypropylene, polyester, or nylon pigments and precisely formulated color recipes, small batches of single-color pellets are melted, extruded into yarn, and carefully evaluated for color accuracy. Once the desired match is achieved, verified with a color spectrophotometer, the approved recipe is sent to mass production through yarn extrusion. In this stage, the monocolor polypropylene, polyester, or nylon pellets are melted into a semi-liquid state and pressed through a multi-hole dye head into a cold water bath, transforming the material into solid, continuous strands. These strands then move to a cutter, where they are reduced back into pellet form, separated through a shaker, and finally processed in a rotary mixer to ensure consistent, uniform pellet size. During this step, an anti-static additive is applied to prevent static charge buildup. The extrusion department receives the newly colored pellets from the Master Batch department and melts them once again with a combination of polypropylene, polyester, or nylon resin. With precisely controlled heat, speed, and pressure, the material is spun into continuous filaments of a specified thickness, known as denier. Starting at the spinnerets, the filaments are air-cooled, and a spin finish oil is applied to reduce friction and static while creating a softer feel. The yarn then moves through the stretch and strengthening phase using multi-zone heated godet rollers operating at varying speeds. Bulk is added through the texturizing box, tangling is introduced through the entanglement box, and finally, the yarn is wound onto cones. After extrusion, the yarn undergoes a series of quality checks to ensure proper thickness, texturization, and elasticity. Once the yarn passes extrusion quality control, it is transferred to the twisting department. Depending on the desired texture, density, and definition, the yarn receives either a single-ply or two-ply twist. Twist per inch, or TPI, is the key factor in determining the characteristics of the final twisted yarn. The heat set process takes place immediately after twisting. The yarn passes through a closed, steam-pressurized tunnel that stabilizes the twist and prevents unraveling. This process enhances durability, helps the yarn maintain its shape, and increases resiliency. At the end of heat setting, the yarn is rewound onto cones and prepared for weaving. Some products undergo an additional step known as space dyeing. This technique allows yarn to be dyed with up to 6 color shades plus a base shade. The result is a multicolor, multi-shade effect within the same yarn, creating visual depth and texture rather than a flat, solid color. The creel is the large rack structure that holds all the spools of yarn feeding the loom needles. Based on the rug's design and color palette, the required yarn colors are loaded onto the creel framework. Creelers ensure the yarn feeds continuously and evenly without tangling. Combined, more than 25,000 spools can be loaded on a loom creel at one time, and changing an entire creel typically takes 3 to 5 days. The final step before weaving begins is warping. Warping creates the rug's backing structure. In weaving, warp yarns run vertically and weft yarns run horizontally, forming the mesh-like foundation into which the pile is woven on the loom. Oriental Weavers' warp is typically polypropylene or cotton, while the weft is jute or cotton. With its advanced machinery and extensive loom capacity, Oriental Weavers stands among the industry leaders. The company has the capacity to produce more than 1.5 billion square feet of rugs each year, equivalent to nearly 50 square miles and enough to cover Manhattan Island twice. In practical terms, that equals almost 40 million 5 feet by 8 feet rugs annually. This unparalleled scale enables superior in-stock availability, along with industry-leading delivery and service for customers worldwide. With the largest weaving facility and highest production capacity in the world, Oriental Weavers is uniquely positioned to service and deliver more rugs than any other manufacturer globally. Most machine-woven rugs are produced on Wilton looms, as shown here. Wilton looms use a face-to-face weaving technique, where 2 rugs are woven simultaneously as one piece. After the yarn is inserted, a high-speed knife, called a lancet, cuts the fabric down the center at a specified pile height, creating 2 mirrored rugs of identical size and color. The rugs leave the loom as 2 long continuous rolls and move to the next stage of production. The first step is coating. The rolls travel on a conveyor through a specialized chamber that applies steam to the face yarn and latex to the backing. The latex acts as a bonding agent, strengthening the connection between the fibers and the backing for enhanced durability. After latex application, the rugs pass through an oven at temperatures exceeding 260 degrees to dry the coating. They then go through a 3-step shearing process to achieve consistent pile height, are cut side by side and sent to the finishing department for serging, labeling, and packaging. Throughout the manufacturing process, excess yarn is generated when material is trimmed from the sides of rolls after coating and shearing, or when yarn is removed during creel changes. Committed to reducing waste and lowering its carbon footprint, Oriental Weavers has developed a process to recycle this excess yarn for future production. The yarn is cut into consistent sizes, melted in the densifier, and extruded at high temperatures. It then passes through a water bath, is cut into pellet form, and returned to the master batch department to begin the process again as new yarn. While much of the manufacturing process is mechanical, the final finishing of each rug requires skilled craftsmanship and attention to detail. In the finishing department, rugs are serged along the long sides, cut into individual pieces, and serged on the short ends with special care given to the corners. Back labels are applied, and the rugs are prepared for distribution. Rugs are either rolled face out with point-of-purchase materials for in-store display and shrink-wrapped, or rolled face in and bagged for inventory. Once rugs are woven and packaged, they are transported to one of our distribution centers. With more than 800,000 square feet of warehousing in Dalton, Georgia, Oriental Weavers maintains exceptional in-stock availability across a broad portfolio of award-winning rug designs. Renowned throughout the marketplace for their distinctive coloration, rich texture, and compelling style, these collections reflect the latest global trends and fashion influences. With over 1,500 designs and more than 10,000 size options, Oriental Weavers offers consumers unparalleled creative freedom, making it easy to express personal style and create living spaces that feel truly their own. For more information on Oriental Weavers' product assortment, please visit www.owrugs.com.